If you guys want to learn how to make this cute headband, stay tuned. Materials and tools you'll need is a 5.5 millimeter hook, your yarn color of choice. I'm going to do 3 colors because I'm making a Jaguars theme headband. And you will need scissors and you will need a darn needle to weave your ends in. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to make a slip knot. Also, if you guys are a beginner and you don't know the beginner stitches, I do have a beginner stitch video under my playlist on my TikTok page. All right, so I've made my slip knot, and then from here we're going to make a chain. So you're going to chain until you go around the diameter of your head, okay? So I've chained around my head. All right, so from here, we're just going to do half double crochets in each stitch. So we're going to skip this first stitch and go into the second stitch and start our half double crochet, okay? Again, half double crochet, you yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, pull your yarn through. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 3. My nails are in the way. But we're just going to do half double crochet all the way back down to the end. Okay, so once you made it to the end, I'm switching colors. So I'm going to add my new color in. All right, so once you make it to the end, what you're going to do is you're going to chain 1. And you're going to turn your work. Now from here, we're going to do half double crochet. The whole project is half double crochet. We're going to do a half double crochet in the back loop only, okay? So we're going to yarn over. In this back loop, we're going to insert our hook, pull our yarn, yarn over, pull through 3. And we're just going to do half double crochet in the back loop for the rest of the project, okay? So I'm going to do this row, and I'm going to meet you guys at the end of the row. Okay, so I made it to the end of my row. So I chained 1, and now I'm about to turn my work. And you're just going to repeat the same thing. You're going to do a half double crochet in the back loop only. All right, so you can do as many rows as you want until you get to the width of your headband size that you want. I'm going to do mine about 4 inches wide, okay? So once I get to 4 inches, I will come back and I will show you guys how to do the next part. But remember, the whole project is just half double crochet in back loop only. Okay, so I've made my headband 4 inches wide. Again, you guys, if you want yours wider, just keep doing more rows. So I'm right at 4. So once you get done, you chain 1 and then you cut. After you cut, you weave your ends where you started and where you ended. So let me get a needle. Okay, so I have my needle, and I'm just going to take my end right here. And I'm just going to weave it in and out one way. And then do the same thing going back the other way if I can, if I have enough. I don't think I have enough, so I'm just going to cut here. But since I did multiple colors, I have to weave all of my ends to my different colors in. So I'm going to do that really quick, and then I'm going to show you guys how to put the headband together. Okay, so once you weave your ends in, what you're going to do is you're going to fold your work in half. So you're going to fold this like a sandwich, fold this side like a sandwich, and bring them together. Now we're going to open them up a little bit I don't know how to describe this, but we're going to make like an X motion like this. So we're just stacking the ends on top of each other, like so. And then you're going to sew this together. So I got my needle over here, and we're just going to sew all of this together. It doesn't really matter how you sew it, just as long as all of the 4 layers are sewed together. Okay, so after you've sewn all of your ends together, you're going to tie and cut. And then you're going to flip your work over. Now mine looks like this because I use black yarn on top of different colors, but it's fine. So so from here you can either leave it like this or you can style it. So I have some game day patches. So I'm going to put my game day patch on, probably in the middle, like so. You can put gemstones, whatever, just to make it cute, but yeah, that's your headband.